we also releasing a new video series. If you can notice in our YouTube channel, we are also releasing this model. It's called so this model, the concept video, which is like generalist to specialist, AI teammate, building your AI teammate, and AgenticFlow recipe. These are some kinds of like new series of the video that we was created by using NotebookLM. Okay, so this is a new series. And how we creating this one is that we are ingesting the information of the model, building this model. So it's very simple. So we're just creating a notebook, and also we are uploading all of our documentation on the left hand side. So the documentation actually it was our docs. So you can see here. So this is like our original docs. So we was having a time to revamping all of these docs in order to make it really comprehensive and quite accurate, because we was using our agent in order to read our code and also writing these docs. So actually this document was writing from code. So it should be accurate as much as possible. And then after that, we have our engineer to review and read this one. So if you would like to read, you can just click here and read. But for now, what we are actually doing is that we are uploading all of these documents into here. And then we let an AI overview from Google. They are using this feature. They have a video overview where they have the edit. You can click on this button, and it allows you to choose a format of the video. It can be explainer, the language, a lot of language actually, the style, and also what is the focus of the AI. So using this one, we are actually generating a bunch of video that based on this one is quite simple, but it's quite nice, I could say. Maybe let me play on this video.
All right, today we are going to cook up something really cool, your very first AI automation. And to do it, we're going to use this simple framework called the AgenticFlow recipe. So let's get into it. I mean, you know the feeling, right? You're stuck in that endless loop of copying data, pasting it somewhere else, processing it. It just completely eats up your day. Well, that is exactly the problem we're going to solve right now.
So the heart of this whole thing is an idea called a workflow. And don't let the name scare you. It's just a sequence of tasks that run one after another. Honestly, the best way to think about it is like a recipe for your digital work. You just follow the steps and you get a perfect result every single time.
Yeah, so I think for this one, you can watch and on our YouTube channel. So we are actually going to release more and more video. I think from my side, this kind of video is helpful in a way that it will explaining the concept of the documentation that we already wrote in a format that easier to consume by everyone. But it will not replacing the tutorial that we are building, because I believe that this kind of video is helpful on explaining the concept with illustration and also with the narrative, so that it will easier to consume, like what is a workflow, what is agent, what is skill. It will answer for the why and the what, but it will not answer on the how. Because you will need to see the screen, the screen, right? How you can configure this one and so on and so on. So we are still continue to recording those video, and what we will do is that we will link the video that describing the how into the end of the video or the concept, so that you can watching the concept of the video first on the what is a skill, and then following that you will see a video that saying like here are some skill that we are create. You can follow and you can clone out for workflow and template with skill, or this is my workthrough, so that you can use skill on your day-to-day work. So I think that is a new content material that we are going to use on going forward. And hopefully that from now until the end of the month, we will finish all of these concept video, and also release a few more the tutorial video as well. All right. So this video I already show you how to create. So this is going to be concept video of AgenticFlow 101 to explaining the why and the what. Tutorial. We're explaining the how. We continue to invest in this area. All right, good. So I think that's it on the video part. Just an update to everyone, and hopefully that you can have some try with that.